Printify is a print-on-demand platform connecting designers to global print providers, letting you sell custom merch like t-shirts, mugs, and posters without inventory. Earn via markups. Buy low from Printify, sell high on your store. Startup cost: zero potential, $2,500+ per month with scaling. In 2025, booming niches like wellness and eco-products drive sales. Steps to start: sign up. Create a free Printify account at printify.com. Browse 1,300+ products. Select providers for quality and shipping. Design products. Use Printify's product creator or tools like Canva. Upload graphics, unique, niche-focused. For example, mental health affirmations. Markup and price, like $10 cost, $25 retail equals $15 profit. Setup store. Integrate with Etsy, Shopify, or WooCommerce. Free plugins. List 20 to 50 products. Optimize SEO. Keywords like funny cat mug. Market and sell. Drive traffic via Pinterest and Instagram ads. $5 to $10 per day budget. TikTok trends or email lists. Offer bundles for upsells. Fulfill orders. Auto-sync. Customer buys. Printify prints and ships. You pocket profit minus fees. Etsy. Around 6.5% plus 20 cents per listing.